Without stirring abroad, one can know the whole world. Without looking out of the window, one can see the way of heaven. The further one goes, the less one knows. Therefore the sage knows without having to stir, identifies without having to see, accomplishes without having to act. Lao Tzu. You don't have to travel far to experience the benefits of nature. Even a small garden or public green space will do. Paying attention to nature's small details can lead to a sense of relaxation and reduced anxiety or stress level.
Your breathing changes as you look at nature and experience it. It becomes deep, steady from the bottom of your belly. Notice the detail of the flowers, the smell of the blossom, the light caressing your eyelids. There is so much out there that we don't notice, from the bird song on the distant branch to the little plant between the cracks of the pavement. It is all alive, like you and like me. Notice it, and maybe say a silent hello. It might just make a difference. Earth. Let the day grow on you upward, through your feet, the vegetal knuckles, to your knees of stone, until by evening you are a black tree. Feel, with evening, the swifts thicken your hair, the new moon rising out of your forehead, and the moonlit veins of silver running from your armpits like rivulets under white leaves. Sleep as ants cross over your eyelids. You have never possessed anything as deeply as this. This is all you have owned from the first outcry through forever. You can never be dispossessed. By Walcott.